Welcome to Great with Kavindra. Today I am going to show you how to make your awesome LED shoes. First, gather your materials: LED strip light, remote. Connect light with remote and tape it, ensuring the secure connection. Take a connector and iron the wires with the connected remote. You need a small battery pack to connect with connector and the lights will light up. Now take shoes and apply a thin line of glue along the sole and place the battery there. Also press the LED strip in place, hold it for a few seconds to ensure it sticks well. Apply same for the next one and your shoes are now ready to cheer up. You can wear your shoes and enjoy the glow. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more cool experiments on Great with Kavindra.